Hey guys, Elvis and Hunter one more time, and today we are gonna learn how to use the PMT function. Well, and I have set up an example here on the screen. This will be a basic loan that we will use, perhaps for a house or a car, or just some vacations in France. I don't know. But I have put together a couple of the terms that we will use in the formula. I will actually explain what the terms are, which ones are optionals, and which one has to go there like mandatory. Okay, so first of all, let's just go ahead and see the function itself. Okay, this is a function of the financial Excel functions category. So with that being said, this means that this is not a common formula that you use every day, but this formula basically calculates a total payment that you will have based on the principal or the initial amount and the interest that you will have on it. And this is required when you're settling a loan in, as I say, in an institution. It could be a bank or I don't know, your pawn shop, or whichever way you get that money from. This would be great for me to have a trip or Europe, but unfortunately with the pandemic it's kind of hard just to move around town. So yeah, but this will have a fixed interest, okay, and this interest rate will be represented on the first argument that we have here, and then we'll have I'll call a time period. We will work in years in this case, and based on that number of years, the bank or whoever actually allows you to have that money will be getting the interest that they're looking for. And after that, we have the loan amount, because it's this amount that allows us to calculate all this interest, and then we'll have balances after the last payment, just in case you have not, let's say you were not able to put together the entire amount for that specific month. Well, depending on the period that you're paying this, but this specific example is for months. So you can put the number there, and of course the interest will increase because basically you're paying with some delay on it. And the annuity type, this is basically you have 2 ways to pay this, end of period or end of last payment, like the regular formula, and then you have the end of each period, like the annual payment for each period. In this case, I will be using the regular one, the default one that comes with the formula. So let's just go ahead and start putting numbers here. Let's say this was a loan for maybe 7%. That would be very low, but let's just think of 7%. We'll get 24. Now that's a lot of years. Let's put 12. I don't know, it's kind of a lot, but we just want to set up the example here. And now, how much are we getting? Could be 5,000, I guess. Or I think that's too little. So if that was the case, you'll be paying $629 each month. If that was the case, all right. But nobody will get that for 5,000. So let's just go ahead and add a little bit more of sales on this hot dog. 10,000. So $10,000 in there, and you will see the interest that you will be paying for each month. Let's say you had a delay on this one, and the balance after the last payment was whatever you had there plus, let's say 200. As you can see, the interest just went up a little bit. And in here, as I said, we'll be using the default one. This won't make any much of a difference on the amount that you pay. And as you can see, let's just went back to the one that I had. You have 270 So that's 1,270. So if you go to till the end of period, that means that you will actually iterate on this 12 months. You will see the difference right there, you see, because basically you're paying at the end of the period, but it's really up to the person that is actually getting the loan for which type of an annuity they want to use. All right, so this one basically works like this. Let me show you the formula. That's the PMT. All right, so you have as I say, the rate, the interest rate that you are getting for this loan. Then you have the amount, or what they call in this case the number of periods. Or let's say we're talking in years, it could be in months. It really depends of how are you planning to do this. And then you have the amount, the amount that we were talking about. This is basically the principal amount, all right, that you will start with this particular loan. And then the two optionals that I say, the future value and the type of annuity that you will be using for this. These are optionals. You can perfectly just leave it blank, and as a default Excel will calculate this for you, or you can even just start taking this off the formula and the affectation will be exactly the same. So this is how the PMT works. All right, so happy to be able to teach you how to use this. It's a very interesting formula, and I hope you can use it on your daily basis on the job place, or on your personal matters, on your personal finances, when you're trying to calculate how much you will pay in the bank, or this is something that we use as well as individuals. So I was Hunter here, super happy to be with you one more time, and I'll see you in the next video, in where we will be combining this PMT function with an amazing feature that Excel has, and that will be let me just show you real quick here. We'll use the what if analysis, but we'll do it in the next video. So I see you in a bit. Bye bye for now.